What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Your boy's on the road to 15,000 subscribers. You guys see the S2K back there shining all crazy. But today's video isn't gonna be too much about the S2K. It's gonna be more about building your own pressure washer and how you can get a nice one for under $100. So I've always been on the hunt of finding my own pressure washer and what I could use to just create a lot of foam and, you know, just something that looks cool and actually works and puts in a good amount of effort, right? So I went to Harbor Freight and I was like, man, I want to get myself something. I'm gonna try out this $75 pressure washer. Okay, so originally the pressure washer, it comes with its own nozzle, which is this here, and it also comes with its own soap cannon, right? Now these two are pretty decent. The soap cannon that it actually comes with does not shoot out a lot of foam. It does not like, how could I say, it does not cover the car the way you want it to cover. And I was like, okay, I gotta find a way that I can get a nice pressure washer but also get that amount of foam that I want that could get crazy good coverage, right? So did a little bit of research and I went on Amazon and I bought me the wand, which is this, and the foam bottle itself. Both was I want to say the wand was like $18, and the bottle itself, it came with like different nozzles too. The bottle was like, I want to say like $12. So in all I paid like $32 on Amazon, and I got everything here within a day. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how good it is, and if you would like to buy one, I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys down below. I think it's a good buy. It's definitely worth the money, and like I said, it's all under $100. So if you don't want to spend that big money that you see a lot of these companies selling them for, which is like a couple thousand, and you just need something to like clean your car, make it look good and like make it look clean, you know, like the S2K. The S2K is really clean today, actually. I actually cleaned it the other day, and I just don't feel like rewashing it again because it just doesn't make sense. So I was like, you know what? Let's show the daily some love, the CRV, which is gonna be the next beauty on the channel. All right, you guys just gotta hold out and wait. But the CRV is definitely gonna be the next thing, killing it on the channel, I promise. But the S2K, whew, look how shiny it is. You see that? Glistening. All right, guys, so the memory card had got full, so I had to go inside and take everything off and delete a couple things so that way we could get back to videoing. So now I'm gonna show you guys how good of a pressure washer this thing is. This is a Portland pressure washer with 1,750 PSI. So 1,700 PSI if you wanna be, you know, short with it. But yeah, like I said, I bought this from Harbor Freight and I haven't had any complaints. I've used it 2 times already and it's got everything clean, man, everything. So we're gonna grab the hose here because this hose has to connect to the back of the pressure washer. It has like a nozzle piece here. I'm gonna show you guys. So the hose would connect to this nozzle here, that gold piece. Okay, so first things first, you might want to go and pick up some Adams Polish's Ultra Foam Shampoo. This thing, I'm telling you guys, it shoots out a lot of foam, bro. A lot of foam. All right, I tried it on the S2K and it was crazy. So if you guys want to go there, go to Adams Polish's, let them know Phil S2K sent you. All right, so I'm gonna put the soap into this container here. It's still a little bit left from the last time I used it. Like I said, I bought this, the wand and the nozzle and this attachment. It came with the actual tube. The attachment, I'm gonna show you guys, hold on. So this and this came together, the nozzle and the canister, and then the wand came separate. The reason why I bought the canister and the nozzle, this wand and this canister is because this actually connects to each other like so. All right, so then now you're able to use it, no problem. So now all I have to do is just add a little bit of soap. I'm not gonna use a lot this time around because the last time I used way too much. Just gonna use a little bit of soap, and then we add some water. So we're gonna add the water now. Show you guys. Just adding in some water. So today I'm really trying to get 2 videos done because I'm gonna be heading to Florida tomorrow for Simply Clean. So a lot of you guys may see me out there in Florida. So if you do see me, say what's up, alright? Okay, so now that I have everything attached and everything is good, all the water and soap is mixed in together, shake it up a little bit. Now the wand that I bought from Amazon, it fits directly in here. So you literally fit it in, just find where it fits, and then you twist it. Boom, twist it and it's on. Now we just have to turn on the actual pressure washer itself, which is electric. This pressure washer is electric. So you just turn it on like that. It's electric. You have it plugged into the wall unit or wherever you have outside, and now it's on. All right, so you guys see here, right? Now watch. Crazy. And it also gives you an attachment at the top where you can adjust how much suds and soap you let out. So the car is silver, so you obviously won't be able to see it as much, but there's a lot of foam on here. All right. Very, very nice, very, very clean. Ooh, we gotta change you soon, don't worry, when I come back. So, now, let's cue it into the cinematics, right? See? Nice. All sudsed up. Clean. Almost looks like it's snowing out here. So, my overall guesstimate for this is, it's a plus in my book. You know what I mean? I know everyone has their own preference. And I know everyone, you know, they like what they like. You can't get other people to like what you like, but me personally, I'm just trying to save you guys a couple dollars. I know a lot of you car guys out there like to wash your car like me. And I feel like using a pressure washer just makes life that much easier. But I know you don't want to, you know, kill yourself for that much money. So why not spend $100, get all the attachments that I'm about to give you guys and show you guys, and go from there. Also, this nozzle, hopefully this thing can focus. Well, this nozzle here, if you turn it, it opens. If you guys can see, it's opened here, so it shoots foam more like a stream. If you turn the nozzle and you close it, it pushes it out more of like a spray. If that makes more sense. But like, you open it, it's more stream. When you close it, it's more of like like a spray, like a mist spray, or like how you would paint a car and it, you know, sprays out like this. Instead of streaming, it sprays out like that. So, you know, I mean, like I said, I think this is a good bang for your buck for $100, and I personally would recommend it to anyone that just wants to start out, maybe detailing someone's car or just starting up your own business. You can always start small and work your way up. And see, the dope part about having the 2 attachments is you could just take one off, just like so, and then you just add the one that was given to you when you bought it. So you just add the new attachment, well, the original attachment, and now you have straight water. See? That's a lot of pressure right there. Look at all this pressure. You guys ready? See that? Look. It's dope, man. I'm telling you guys, for $100, is definitely worth it. It's dope. This is not even sponsored. I'm just trying to help you guys out and help out upcoming detailers or people who just want to start out small. So that's my guesstimate. I think you should get it if you want to start out doing detailing, just small business, and work your way up. CRV's already looking way cleaner. It's already looking way cleaner.